Hello everyone. This video we are going to look right issue of shares. How earlier we looked for dividend and all, and this is also one sort of benefit of the shareholders. Okay, so these all detail we are going to look in this video. What is right issue and which person will get for these shares, and what is the advantage, that is a pros and cons of right issue, advantage as well as disadvantages of right issue, and how the investor knows the right issue will be announced. Okay, these all the information we are going to look in this video. Let's see. Okay, now we can see what is right issue. Okay, right issue, this is one sort of share which has been announced by the company will offer to existing shareholders. Who's the existing shareholders? In a sense, one who bought share before the record date. Okay, already they are holding for the shares. No, that person, they will get it for this right issue with the reduced price or discount price. In a sense, they will get it for half of the price, or the company will determine, okay, discounted price almost 75% of discount, or 90% discount, like that they will get it. Example, in a market it is trading on 40 rupee or 50 rupees. Okay, but in the right issue you will get it as a same share for 10 rupee or 5 rupee, like that. Okay, the price will fixed by the company. So usually the discounted price will stand for specified time frame, after which it's returned to normal. Okay, so until right issue you will get it those shares for respect to specified price. After that the price will be normal only. In the market price may not be changed. Okay, if they are announcing for the right issue, they are mentioning for 10 rupee, in a sense the current market price 40 rupee. So those time you don't think that the price will be 10, not like that. The current market price they will trade it as usual. Okay, but existing shareholders, they will get the offer of certain portion of shares for the reduced price. Okay, that is called it as right issue. And for the next one, who will get these shares? Okay, the eligible holder will be existing shareholders. Okay, already those who are holding for the shares, those people will be eligible for getting these shares. Okay, so how we can know, for I am the existing shareholder, or else I am the new shareholder? In a sense, they will announce for the right issue, they will mention for the record date. Before that record date, as you are holding for the share, in a sense you are the existing shareholders. Okay, so how you will get it for those shares? In a sense, in a proportion, the company will announce, as you are holding for 10 shares, in a sense you are eligible to get for 5 right shares. So each and every 10 shares you will get it for additional 5 shares. That is what the meaning of it. But the proportion will fixed by the company. For example, I have given, okay, that is 5:10. Okay, 10 shares if you are holding, in a sense you will get it for 5. These all proportions fixed by the company. Some companies they will get it for 1:1. Some companies they will fix it for that is 3:25, something like that. Okay, it depends upon the board of directors, has been determined by the company. And for the next one, what are the pros of right issue? What are the advantages of right issue in terms of company perspective? Okay, so we are going to look for company perspective as well as for shareholders perspective. So what are the company gets advantage while they are issuing for right issue? In a sense, first, an immediate financing. Okay, this if the company is applying for bank loan, or if they are announcing for if they are getting for any financial institution for getting money, in a sense it will be a lot of procedure and they need to wait of it. Okay, but from here not like that. They will fix for the duration, they will announce. Okay, then they will issue for the share, and they will allocate for a certain duration for applying for the shareholders, and they will distribute, it will be credited into an certain account. Okay, so it will be a immediate process for getting amount from the shareholder to company. So it is a benefit for the company. And second one, for economical in a sense, it is a cheaper way. Okay, if they are announcing for IPO also they are getting for this one only. What is that, for getting the finance. But there should be a procedure will be there, right? There should be a procedure. They need to announce it. They will get it for all the documents and everything else from the general public. But from here, it is a cheaper way. Existing shareholders only they are giving, right? So it will be a cheaper way, not require that much of formalities for the right issue while compare with the IPOs. Okay. And control of ownership in a sense, if it is a new investor, okay, they need to control more while compare with the existing shareholders. So this is a right issue will be control of ownership is very easier for the company, because already they will be registered under their books of account, right? So easily they can distribute for the shares. So these are all the major advantages for the company perspective as well as for the shareholders perspectives. Let me see. And it will be a special chance. Okay, as you are a long term shareholder, you are investing for a particular company. The company is announcing for the share in a sense, right issue in a sense, certain portion of shares. You're getting it with a discount price, whether you need to buy or you need to sell off it. Okay, it will be a special chance and additional benefit you're getting with the help of this right issue with the discounted price. Okay, and for the ownership stability. So ownership stability in a sense, say for example, I invested in one company. I am thinking that if I am getting benefit, I will not go and invest for other company. I will sustain for the same company itself, right? I'm getting for bonus share, I'm getting for right issue, I'm getting for dividend. Okay, and capital appreciation also will be there. And what is the purpose I need to go and invest for other company? It's not required at all, right? So that is a stability mind will create for the shareholder. That's the advantages of shareholder. And another one, potential earnings. So the company, based on the proportionate they are giving for certain shares, okay, this certain shares will be credited to demat account. So respective shareholder, if they like, for the discount price they can buy for those shares, right? If I don't like, I don't have a money at all, so what I have to do in a sense, I can sell it in the market. So I told you certain window will be there. That window period I can sell in the market, I can get it return of it. So two way will be available. Either I can buy those shares with the help of a discounted price. The second thing, I don't have money, so I will sell the shares whichever I received, whichever has been already credited in demat account. That is also possible. Okay, in other shareholder you can sell it also. So these are all the major advantages for company as well as for the shareholders. And for the next one, disadvantages of right issue. So what are the disadvantages? Example, the company perspective, the major will danger of share dilution. Dilution in a sense, what I'm thinking something, right? I have calculated something. If I'm distributing to the existing shareholders, they will buy for the shares. That is what I will think, right? So suppose some cases the shareholder did not have a money. Okay, such cases what they will do, they will not buy a shares, right? And once it has been credited in your account, whether you need to buy or else sell, and some investor not even look those things, they will not touch anything else. So such kind of cases what will happen, all the shares will be, so such kind of cases the investor will not buy those shares in a sense, automatically it will be erased from the system, right? So the company think to distribute certain number of shares, but all the shareholders did not buy in a sense, whatever amount they are thinking, they will not get back. So it is one of the danger of share dilution. Okay, from the perspective of company, they will not get back that money. They are thinking that they need for 2 crore from the existing shareholders, but a certain portion of that is 1 crore of shareholders, they are not eligible to buy for these shares, right? So they received only for 1 crore in a sense. What I'm thinking that 2 crore I will get it through the right issue, but I did not get a 2 crore, I got it for 1 crore in a sense. Additional 1 crore definitely I need to go for approach in a bank, or other way I need to collect. Okay, so this is one sort of danger for the company perspective. Okay, and for the shareholders perspective, chance to decrease the share price, because the number of shares will be increased. Already whatever available from the market, that is available, and additionally they are issuing for shares, so it is a chance to decrease the share price. Okay, and another way, it can lower the stock value and decrease the trading volume. So normally it is a few cases. Okay, the stock value right now, it is trading for 40 rupee. Once issued for the right issue, there should be a chance it should be decreased for 30 or 20, like that. At some cases, that amount, it is going for some growth project, in a sense it will be increased. So two way it's available. There should be a decrease in price, okay, as well as decreasing for trade volume also. What is trading volume? Trading volume, in a sense, in a day by day, how many number of investor they are buying and selling. Okay, how much of amount they are putting for this respective share, that is called it as trading volume. Suppose if you're a crypto investor, in a sense, most of the crypto investor, they will focus for trading volume. Based on the trading volume only they will invest for crypto, right? But while compare with share, they are not focusing that much. 99% they are focusing for trading volume in crypto, but from here in share market, not that much and all for the long term investor. Okay, so from here, right issue perspective, it will decrease for the trading volume. And next, let me see how shareholders know right issue. Okay, how shareholders know for right issue, in a sense, through broking application they knows. Okay, these are all the 5 ways they knows: through broking application, through financial websites, through newspapers, and through email. This email they will get it for existing shareholders, one who bought the share before the record date, as well as demat account. Existing shareholders, for a respective date, whatever the portion they told you, that much of number of shares will be credited for the demat account. Okay, so I will show you the practical example of these things through broking application, how they will get it, in a sense. Say for example, this is one of the broking application. Okay, so from here, just you can select for the respective company. From here I am selecting for Green Power, okay, because they announced for right issue currently. So from under that you can go for news. Okay, this is a broking application for Indian broking application. Okay, under the corporate action you can come here. Okay, for 16th, I think so. See here, the 6th August and 7th August they announced for the right issue. This is a way, from the application you will get the notification of it, and from there you can get the idea. Okay, for the new investors, those who did not invest over there, just if you're checking, in a sense, you could know from the corporate action. This is the first way you can check it for all the investors. Okay, and for the because for this one in UAE point of view, if you are checking for application, from there you will not collect any information. Okay, so Indian perspective only I'm giving all the information over here. For UAE perspective, suppose if it is coming for any right issue, I will post the video on it with a practical experience. Okay, this is fully related to Indian market. And next one, for financial websites. So what are all the other financial websites will be there? The many websites will be there. These are all the major websites called Money Control, Live Mint, and Financial Express, and Rediff. These are all the financial websites. You can go and check it over there. Example, I will show you for Money Control how it is coming. Okay, so from here you can come for the Money Control. It's available for rights. Okay, under the rights you can come to many companies. Okay, this will be the company name and what is the proportion they are giving here, and this is an announcement date. I told you for the record date. Okay, before the record date you need to buy. Okay, so this one is very important, as well as for this right ratio is very important for the right issue perspective. So once you are coming here for Orient, I am coming down. Where is Orient? Just I am typing. Okay, from here it is available for Orient Green, right? Okay, from here it is available for Orient Green. They have given the ratio will be 51 is to 51 is to 10. Okay, this is a ratio, and 13/8 will be the record date, that is 13th August will be the record date, and they announce for December 23, but record date they have given for August only. See how many month duration will be there. So what is the proportion? If I am holding for 51 shares, I am eligible to get for right issue of 10 shares. Okay, so additionally 10 share I will get it. Okay, and what is the amount I will get it, that and all you will get through email only. Okay, and if you're clicking here, it will be available. Okay, otherwise for the email also they will mention what is the price you will get it for right issue and all. And see here it's available for premium. Okay, so from the same website, see face value and premium. So face value plus premium, this is a rate you will get at 10 plus 3, right? So 13 rupees. One share you will get it for 13 rupees. This is a way you can look for a website also. This is an one example. Okay, from the website you can look for those information. Okay, and another one for financial newspapers, that is Economic Times. These are all the web newspapers, famous newspapers. You will collect the information over there. Okay, Economic Times, Business Line, Financial Express, as well as for Mint. And another one for email, how you're receiving for email in a sense, this is a way you will get at Orient Green Power Company entitled letter for right issue reference. Okay, this is a way you will get it, and from there they will mention, see here, issue up to this many number of equity shares, face value of 10. Okay, and the share premium 13. Okay, and the share premium of 3 per equity share, aggregating that is called it as issue price. See here it is available 13 per equity share, right? So face value 10 and 3 per equity share, it is total for 13 per share. Okay, so they are issuing for existing shareholder. Okay, example, the shareholder is holding for 8,700 and they are getting for 1705 rights. Because why? They already mentioned those who are holding for 51 shares, they will get it for 10 shares. So based on that you can calculate. Okay, 8,700 shares if I am holding, in a sense you can divide it by 51. So how many shares is coming? That is 1705. Okay, so how much it is coming, based on that you can multiply into 10. Okay, 8,700 divided by 50. How many number of share we need to hold? 51, right? So 51, 8,700 divided by 51, how many number of share is coming? Into 10 shares we will get. So that 10 shares calculation only they put at 1705. Okay, and from under that these are all the statement you have to read it respective things. And from here, issue opening date, this issue opening date they mentioned for August 27. This 27th date, the respective 1705 will be credited to our demat account. Okay, for the existing shareholders. And last date on market renunciation of right entitlements, September 9. So issue closing date, that is September 13. So before 9th you need to sell. Suppose if you are not buying for right issue, before 9th you need to sell the shares in the same market itself. Okay, and issue closing date will be this much, and finalization and last date on market renunciation of rights, in a sense between these two dates you need to go for a website, you need to apply 1705. Suppose if you are buying, in a sense 13 rupee you need to give it and you have to buy. Okay, suppose if I will send I will give you, suppose whether the person is buying for this 1705 shares, in a sense I will post for a video in a practical way how you can buy for a shares. Okay, that is what you need to do. Suppose if you are not buying, in a sense within that duration you need to sell in the market. Okay, what is the share price that's available, based on that you can sell. And issue closing date will be September 13 they have given, and finalization when it will be credited in your account, September 24. Okay, based on these date you have to do all those things. Okay, so the email contain all the information regarding that. This is a way you will get it for the information. Okay, and I told you the email receipt for 8700, right? So for that, right issue will get it for 1705 shares from here. Okay, so you can look for the average price will be 0. Why? Because it's available in your account after this closing date. They mentioned for the closing date in your email, right? What is a closing date they have given? This closing date, issue closing date September 13. This 13, this will be disappear. This 13, this will be disappear in your this respective, okay, green RE1, this will be disappear in your account. Okay, before that you need to sell. See, right now right issue they are announcing for the share value of 6.34. okay, the around 7 something like that. Whether you are going to buy, in a sense 13 rupee you need to buy. If I am not going to buy, in a sense you can sell this one 6.34, you will get the profit of 10,800. Understand what is the advantage you are getting. If you are buying, in a sense you need to give for additionally 13 dirham. Okay, 13 dirham you have to give and you have to collect on it. No, I don't want this 1705 shares. Okay, I need only for the amount. In a sense, what you need to do, just normally how you are selling the shares, same way you can sell the shares with this price. Okay, and you will get the amount of this one. Okay, the duration already mentioned, within the duration only you need to sell. After the duration, automatically it will be disabled in your account. I think you understand. Suppose if there is any query, you can leave a comment. I will help you out. Okay, so this is a way it will be credited. And the final one, what is the purpose the company is issuing for right issue? In a sense, they need to establish their business, or else additional additional debt they need to settle off. Okay, otherwise they are going to buy for any plant and machinery, or any equipments for their business for enlarging purpose. So many purposes will be there. Okay, if it is a growth related purpose, if they are raising for right issue, in a sense, that is well and good, the share price will be appreciated. So what you need to do, whether you are going to buy those shares, you need to analyze that what is the purpose they are issuing for right issue, that respective amount where they are going to invest. Okay, based on that, if you are buying, in a sense, your share price value will be go up, otherwise it will be come down. So you can take a decision of it. And the further video I will post you how you can sell for these shares. Okay, suppose the person going to buy for 1705 or 700 or something like that share, in a sense, that is also I will post a video of it. I think this right issue basic detail you understood, right? If there is any query, you can leave a comment below. I will help you out. Okay, this will be helpful for the beginners as well as for the students, those who are coming for stock market newly. It will be help you out. Okay, and if you are new subscribers, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. Okay, suppose this video you learned anything else, just give a like button and comment below. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.